there's a crocodile approaching us. And I said, I get a stick, you know, stick, and then I yeah, how to say in English?
You hit the
Yeah, I hit the head, crocodile. I said, go away, go away. And you know what the crocodile said?
What the crocodile do?
I said, go away, go away. And the crocodile said, doon po ang tamang daan. Doon po ang tamang daan.